Yeah, the boy.
In fact, he's got two. He's carrying 2 sticks at one time.
Speaking the rest of the ants look lazy. Get the walk!
He's got the largest stick of them all.
You!
And
That's pathetic. And you, oh no, you're doing pretty good, dude. Look at the size of that, eh?
The fly is trying to help me with my photography.
Well, he's just wondering what's so bloody awesome about the ants.
Did
you notice he can fly?